Virtual Robotics Training Academy.
Welcome to the Virtual Robotics Training Academy Members Area Tour. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the features that you're going to find once you're logged into your account. Once you first land, you'll notice there are two main tabs at the top of the page. There's one called Home and one called My Challenges. In the Home section, there is a search bar, which we can click inside and see a bunch of different courses that auto-populate, as well as type in words to bring things into the search area, like robot, for example. Click on any one of these and be taken directly to the activity that relates to what we were searching for. And if we click View Details, it'll take us right inside of the actual challenge. I'm going to go back to the home screen. Down below, we have three main categories. On the far left is programming. And if you click on View Challenges, what you'll see is the Basics in Python course. If we click on any one of these modules, we'll start with the first one, it will open up a page that has an introduction to what the course is, some resources like videos that we can click on, as well as the actual coding activities down towards the bottom. Now, if I click on Start Coding on the first activity, it's going to open up our Python simulator. On the left-hand side, you're going to see the title of the part of the module that you're in, as well as an overview and instructions on how to complete the task. Where you want to complete the task is on the right-hand side of the simulator, where you see the red flashing dot over here. And this is where you enter the text. The expected output is listed below, as well as the solution if you're completely stuck. When you've completed your text, you click the Run button, and if you need to reset the simulator, you can click the Reset button. If you need to see the solution in order to continue because you're having a lot of difficulty, click on the See Solution area. It'll ask to make sure that you want to see it, and we're going to click Yes. And what you'll see down below is this is what the expected result is. When you've completed a module, you can simply click the Next button, and it will take you over to the next section of the challenge. So under My Challenges, anything that we've enrolled in will appear in the Enrolled section, and we can click View Details to be taken directly to where we were when we clicked on it. If you are accessing the VRTA through a school or another institution, you may get assigned tasks by your teacher, and you'll find these under Assigned by Teacher. In the center column, we have the Robotics Challenges. We're going to click on View Challenges, and here we have the same kind of format that we did in Python. When you click on it, you're going to be taken to a page that has an introduction, some video lessons, and then down towards the bottom, you're going to see a Launch Simulator button. When you click the Launch Simulator button, you will be taken to the VRTA's simulator page where you will be able to interact with the robot. And on the bottom right, you'll see our cybersecurity section. If you click on View Challenges, you'll be taken to our Cisco Net Academy Packet Tracer Labs. In these, you'll see IoT, which stands for Internet of Things, with different labs and tasks, the Cybersecurity Packet Tracer course, a Cybersecurity Lab, a Networking Essentials Packet Tracer, and a Networking Essentials Lab. If you click on any one of these, you'll be sent to something that's a very similar format to everything else, which has some objectives and some information about how to complete the task, as well as a Launch Simulator button, where if you click Launch Simulator, it will load up the Cisco Net Academy simulator for you to be able to complete the task. Just a note, you will need a free Cisco Net Academy account in order to access all of the different challenges under the Cybersecurity tab. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your time in the Virtual Robotics Training Academy.
Virtual Robotics Training Academy.